How to set up Truecaller on iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's get started. First, open the App Store and search for Truecaller. After that, install the app and open it. Tap on Next, and before setting it up, make sure you allow the required permissions. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps, then search for Phone. Scroll down again and tap on Call Blocking and Identification. Then turn on all the settings one by one, starting from the first option. Once that's done, go back and complete the setup in Truecaller. And that's about it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.